you doing? What are you all excited about? It's not time for lunch yet. It's only 10 in the morning, 10:15. Jake, can I ask you what you're doing? Ouch, you're gonna knock the phone out of my hand. That was a pretty hard head bump. Can you tell it, what's this all about? Jakey. That's very loud, young man. That's very loud. Is that pig or cat? What? What? Talk to me some more. Talk some more. Talk some more. Jakey, talk some more. What are you doing with your footsies? Talk some more. Come on. Can you say something? Jake, you're too close. Come here. Come here, Goofy. You're one loud cat. Hello? Okay. You have to wait another 2 hours. You just finished breakfast 2 hours ago, Jakey. This is what I listen to all day long. That's what I listen to all day long, Margot. All day long. All day long. That's my assistant. Right, Jake? Right? 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 Jake says, right, Mama. Right. I'm loud.